In the name of God, the merciful, the compassionate.
Sahih al-Bukhari, Volume 1, Book number 3, number 77. Narrated Mahmud bin Rabia Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. When I was a boy of 5, I remember the Prophet, peace be upon him, took water from a bucket used for getting water out of well with his mouth and threw it on my face. Sahih al-Bukhari, Volume 1, Book number 3, number 78. Narrated Ibn Abbas Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu that he differed with Hur bin Qais bin Hisn al-Fazari regarding the companion of the Prophet Moses. Ibn Abbas said that he was Khadir. Meanwhile, Ubay bin Qab passed by them and Ibn Abbas called him, saying, "My friend and I have differed regarding Moses' companion, whose Moses asked the way to meet. Have you heard the Prophet mentioning something about him?" He said, "Yes, I heard Allah's apostle saying, while Moses was sitting in the company of some Israelites, a man came and asked him, 'Do you know anyone who is more learned than you?' Moses replied, 'No.' So Allah sent the divine inspiration to Moses, 'Yes, our slave Khadir is more learned than you.' Moses asked Allah how to meet him Khadir. So Allah made the fish as a sign for him, and he was told that when the fish was lost, he should return to the place where he had lost it, and there he would meet him Al-Khadir. So Moses went on looking for the sign of the fish in the sea. The servant boy of Moses said to him, 'Do you remember when we betook ourselves to the rock? I indeed forget the fish. None but Satan made me forget to remember it.' On that Moses said, 'That is what we have been seeking.' So they went back, retracing their footsteps, and found Khadir, and what happened further to them is narrated in the Holy Quran by Allah. Sahih al-Bukhari, Volume 1, Book number 3, number 79. Narrated Abu Musa Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, 'The example of guidance and knowledge with which Allah has sent me is like abundant rain falling on the earth, some of which was fertile soil that absorbed rainwater and brought forth vegetation and grass in the abundance, and another portion of it was hard and held the rainwater, and Allah has benefited the people with it, and they utilize it for drinking, making their animals drink from it, and for irrigation of the land for cultivation, and a portion of it was barren, which could neither hold the water nor bring forth vegetation. Then that land gave no benefits. The first is the example of the person who comprehends Allah's religion and get benefit from the knowledge which Allah has revealed through me, the Prophet, peace be upon him, and learn and then teaches others. The last example is that of a person who does not care for it and does not take Allah's guidance revealed through me. He is like that barren land. Sahih al-Bukhari, Volume 1, Book number 3, number 80. Narrated Anas Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. Allah's apostle said, "From among the portents of the arts are the following. Number 1. Religious knowledge will be taken away by the death of religious learned men. Number 2. Religious ignorance will prevail. Number 3. Drinking of alcoholic drinks will be very common. Number 4. There will be prevalence of open illegal sex intercourse." Sahih al-Bukhari, Volume 1, Book number 3, number 81. Narrated Anas Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. I will narrate to you a hadith, and none other than I will tell you about after it. I heard Allah's apostle saying, "From among the portents of the arts are the following. Number 1. Religious knowledge will decrease by the death of religious learned men. Number 2. Religious ignorance will prevail. Number 3. There will be prevalence of open illegal sex intercourse. Number 4. Women will increase in number and men will decrease in number, so much so that 50 women will be looked after by one man." Sahih al-Bukhari, Volume 1, Book number 3, number 82. Narrated Ibn Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. Allah's apostle said, While I was sleeping, I saw that a cup full of milk was brought to me, and I drank my fill till I noticed the milk its wetness coming out of my nails. Then I gave the remaining milk to Umar ibn al-Khattab. The companions of the Prophet asked, "What have you interpreted about the dream, O Allah's Apostle?" He replied, "It is religious knowledge."